That sound, the sound of a broken dream. Or in this case, a broken needle, a shredded belt, and a project you just wasted $200 in materials on. You bought a machine that said it was heavy duty. But leather, canvas, 8 layers of denim. It laughed at you. And then it died. But what if I told you the most powerful home sewing machine for 2026 isn't the newest, shiniest model? It's a legend. A machine so over-engineered, so brutally reliable, that the manufacturer almost killed it because it never breaks. They can't sell you a new one if your old one won't die. Today, I'm revealing this industrial beast in domestic clothing. And I'll show you the 2 modern contenders that are actually worthy of sharing its title. If you sew anything thicker than a cotton sheet, you cannot afford to miss the next 10 minutes. Number 1. Brother HC 1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. For those in search of a versatile computerized sewing and quilting machine, the Brother HC 1850 is an exceptional choice. This feature-packed and reliable quilting and sewing machine is great for quilting, sewing, basic monogramming, and decorative stitching. The HC 1850 contains 130 stitches plus a sewing font for basic monogramming. It also includes 8 unique styles of one-step, auto-size buttonholes, elegant decorative stitches, and stitches for quilting, clothing, and heirloom sewing. The HC 1850 quilting and sewing machine is loaded with features that simplify the sewing and quilting. It includes 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches for basic monogramming, a built-in stitch reference flip chart, 8 presser feet, a push-button stitch selector, adjustable sewing speeds, an automatic threading system, a detachable foot controller, and an exceptional feed system for sewing on almost any fabric. This machine is enhanced with specialty quilting features, including a detachable wide table, a spring-action quilting foot, and the ability to do free-motion quilting. Number 2. Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Bernette B79 is a high-performance sewing machine and embroidery kit that combines precision with versatility for both beginners and professionals. This advanced model comes equipped with everything you need to enhance your sewing experience, including needles, quilting tools, bobbins, threader, foot hoop, spools, and more. Whether you're working on intricate embroidery designs or durable quilting projects, the Bernette B79 delivers flawless results every time. The heavy-duty motor ensures smooth operation even with thick fabrics, while the battery-powered features offer greater flexibility in your workspace. The professional LCD display and extension table make it easy to navigate through various settings and create projects with precision. This machine is perfect for quilting, embroidery, and a wide range of other fabric-based designs, ensuring you can take your creativity to the next level. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, the Bernette B79 includes an extensive accessories bundle to support your sewing projects. Number 3. Janome Skyline S3 Sewing Machine. The Janome Skyline S3 Sewing Quilting Machine boasts a range of features designed to enhance sewing and quilting experiences. One of its key attributes is the top-loading full rotary hook bobbin, allowing for smooth and efficient sewing. With a remarkable 120 built-in stitches, users can explore various creative options, including 7 one-step buttonholes, which facilitate quick and easy garment fastening. Additionally, the inclusion of one alphabet enables personalized embroidery. Automatic thread tension control ensures consistent stitching quality, while the one-hand needle threader simplifies the threading process, making it user-friendly. The machine also features snap-on presser feet, allowing for quick changes to accommodate different sewing tasks. For versatility, the Janome Skyline S3 incorporates a Superior Plus feed system, which enhances the fabric feeding process, while the free-arm design facilitates sewing on cylindrical pieces like sleeves and hems. Users can start and stop sewing easily with the Start/Stop button, complemented by an automatic thread cutter for clean finishes. Number 4. Singer Special Edition Super Bundle. Introducing the Singer Heavy Duty 500 Classic Sewing Machine and Hard Case Super Bundle. The timeless design and colors of the Singer HD 500 Classic Sewing Machine give a nod to the heritage of beloved vintage Singer sewing machines while providing convenience, versatility, and enhanced power for the modern-day sewist. With its strong motor and full metal frame, this machine can handle even the toughest fabrics with ease. The included carrying case is a perfect match to the HD 500 Classic machine. The case offers reliable, rigid support, making it ideal for safe storage and transportation. The case is lightweight and portable, includes a non-slip inner tray for security, reliable safety lock clasp system, and houses the HD 500 Classic sewing machine with a perfect fit. Featuring 23 built-in stitches including a convenient one-step buttonhole function, this machine allows you to create professional-looking garments, quilts, home decor, crafts, gifts and more. Whether you're an experienced seamstress or just starting out, trust in the reliability of Singer sewing machines to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Arrow Levan and Shirley Sewing. Arrow Levan and Shirley Sewing and Quilting Cabinet with Lift and Caddy is a versatile and functional piece of furniture designed specifically for sewing enthusiasts and quilters. This cabinet features an innovative lift system that allows a sewing machine to be easily raised and lowered, ensuring that the surface remains flat when not in use. The cabinet is designed with ample storage space, ideal for organizing sewing tools, fabrics, and other quilting supplies. It includes multiple drawers and compartments, as well as a convenient caddy that provides additional organization for threads and smaller items. The design of the Levan and Shirley cabinet is not only practical but also stylish, making it a great addition to any craft room or workspace. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the aesthetic appeal adds a touch of elegance to the sewing environment. The cabinet comes in various finishes to suit different interior styles. Whether you choose the timeless tank, the modern powerhouse, or the digital workhorse, your days of broken machines are over. I have secured exclusive discounts and put direct purchase links for all 3 featured machines, plus the specific heavyweight needles, thread, and walking feet you need, in the description below. Do not buy a single thing until you check those links. Now, if you think this is powerful, wait until you see the companion I use with it, the only serger that can keep up with this kind of heavy-duty output. To see that beast in action, make sure you're part of this channel. Hit subscribe and ring that bell. If this video finally solved your heavy-duty search, do me a huge favor, give this video a like and share it with anyone in your sewing circle who needs this power. Thanks for watching. Now go build something that lasts.